Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we make beauty personal and real. If you've been looking for a hair care product that promises to transform the density and health of your hair, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Dove Scalp Hair Therapy Density Boost Serum. This product claims to restore fullness, strength, and thickness, all while doubling as a hydrating treatment for a dry, itchy scalp. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Dove Scalp Plus Hair Therapy Density Boost Serum is designed to do two things: boost the appearance of your hair's density and relieve dry, itchy scalp. It's a lightweight serum formulated with vitamin B3, vitamin E, zinc, and peptides. All ingredients that are known for promoting scalp health and encouraging hair growth. The product promises visibly fuller and thicker hair within just 30 days of consistent use, thanks to its carefully balanced ingredients. I've been using this serum for the past few weeks, and I'll admit, there's been a noticeable difference in my hair's fullness. The serum is fast absorbing and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue, which is a big plus for me. As someone with a slightly dry scalp, I was hoping this product could address that issue, and it definitely delivered on hydration. My scalp feels much more comfortable, and I haven't had that annoying itch that often comes with dryness. When applying the serum, I found it easy to integrate into my routine. You apply it directly to your scalp, parting your hair in sections. It's light enough that it doesn't weigh my hair down, which is something I appreciate because I often shy away from heavy products that leave my hair feeling flat. The serum absorbs quickly, leaving behind a clean feel and no sticky residue. Over the past 30 days, I've noticed my hair looking fuller and thicker. I wouldn't say it's a dramatic transformation, but the improvement is definitely there. The results seem gradual, but I can see why Dove markets this as a long-term treatment. It works slowly but surely. One thing to keep in mind is that the serum doesn't magically add volume in a single use. But with continued use, you'll start to see fuller strands and a more hydrated scalp. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight formula that absorbs quickly, doesn't leave hair greasy or weighed down, relieves dry, itchy scalp while boosting fullness, developed with dermatologist expertise, contains hair-healthy ingredients like vitamins B3, E, zinc, and peptides. Cons: results take time, about 30 days as promised. Not an instant solution for extreme hair thinning. The price point might be a little high for some, especially if you're looking for quick fixes. In terms of value for money, this serum falls in the mid-range price category for scalp treatments. Given its dermatologist-backed formulation and the high-quality ingredients, it's a solid investment if you're looking to nourish your scalp and boost hair density over time. For those seeking instant results, this might not be the answer, but for gradual, long-term improvements, it's worth considering. Compared to other products on the market, Dove Serum is relatively gentle and well-rounded. Many other hair thickening products focus solely on adding volume without addressing scalp health. But this one seems to offer a balanced approach, nourishing both the scalp and the hair itself. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The serum comes in a sturdy 2 phthalates bottle with a nozzle applicator that makes it easy to apply directly to your scalp without any mess. I haven't had any issues with leakage, and the product seems to last a decent amount of time. While I haven't interacted with Dove's customer service directly, the brand is well known for its reliable customer support, so I would expect them to handle any inquiries or issues professionally. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something on the lower end of the price spectrum, there are other scalp treatments available, but they may not offer the same level of dermatological expertise or the specific combination of ingredients in this Dove serum. That said, products like Nioxin Scalp Recovery or the Revitalash Thickening Serum could be decent alternatives, though they vary in terms of price and formulation. To wrap it up, the Dove Scalp Plus Hair Therapy Density Boost Serum is a great choice for those looking for gradual improvement in hair fullness, especially if you also struggle with scalp dryness. It's not a quick fix miracle, but if you stick with it, the long-term benefits could be worthwhile. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.